It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun.
It's very fulfilling.
When we last left the Wolf family, we were finding out how important toys are to keeping their 5 kids active and engaged.
Trying to keep the children I have in one place. Anything that goes well with that is fantastic.
A playroom filled with Fisher-Price toys is a key component for them.
We love Fisher-Price toys. We've had Fisher-Price toys since our first child was born 10 years ago. They're well-priced, they're colorful, they last long.
Fisher-Price toys are in fact made to live on and last, and that's because when it comes to learning, kids move at their own speed, and that's a great playroom tip.
As new parents, milestones are everything. That first time your baby smiles, first steps, watching your little baby grow into a big kid before your eyes. We always hope to remind parents, milestones happen when they're supposed to happen for your baby.
Fisher-Price develops toys like the Laugh and Learn table with milestones in mind.
We started to think about designing and developing this set of toys. We went into homes because we wanted to see, how parents and babies were interacting in their homes. And what we saw is that babies really love to learn in context. So when moms were going and turning on a light switch, they would say on and off. Or when they would open a door, they would say open and closed. And so what we then started to do was work on this line of toys that really helped to foster those types of skills, but in products.
The Laugh and Learn table was fabulous, and it seemed like all of the kids liked playing with it. I think any one of the younger ones can find something they like about it.
The puppy walker I love because there's lots of fun toys on the front that children can sit and interact with before they learn to pull to stand. But then as they learn to pull to stand, they realize that they can make things move. And making things move is really exciting when you're learning how to cruise.
Of course, the best part of milestones is watching your kids go through them.
I find that so moving, especially with my adopted ones, to see that we're literally providing them beautiful experiences that they might not have otherwise gotten. So I actually tear up when they're pressing the buttons and things like that.
He said slow.
That's why I have kids, because it's so much fun. I would have 10 more kids to see them do that over and over and over again.
And for more information, go to FisherPrice.com or visit designingspaces.tv.